So hello guys, I'm going to show you how you can be able to build a website using GROK AI, and it's using a few instructions or prompts to the GROK feature. To access GROK, you need to subscribe to X Premium so that you can have access to it. You can be able to generate images, solve software bugs, even create a website. In this case, you need to create two files inside a folder. In this case, I've created two files, index.html and styles.css, and I've named that folder as GROK website. So let's get started. The first thing is I can say create a website portfolio of Tesla cars with HTML and CSS. Use sample image correction as holders. Then click enter. So once you click enter, it will be able to generate the code for the index.html, as you can be able to see. And also it has generated the code for CSS for that website that you are building. So, and it has the explanation, the HTML structure. The website has the header, the title, and the brief description, the car gallery, the card, the placeholder for images. Then it has a CSS code, which is it's a screen to ensure that the user interface is as interactive as it can. So the next step you need to do after having your code generated by GROK AI is click here. This icon is a copy to clipboard icon. Then come to your code editor, go to index.html, then Control V and paste the code there. Then Control S to save it. Then you need to go to the styles.css. Then you can be able to scroll below, copy this code. You can just click copy to clipboard where this icon, go back to styles.css and paste it. Then save that. Now you have put everything into place, but you need to verify whether the CSS is linked to the index file. So you can be able to see it's linked to styles.css, and indeed we have the styles.css. Now you can go back to the folder and right click and open the index.html to your browser and see now we have built a website, even with sample images. We have actually generated this website using GROK, and it's kind of insane that it can even place the images to their rightful card placeholders, the text at the rightful place. It has a footer, a great footer, by the way. This is definitely a website portfolio you can be able to share with the clients. And this is amazing how GROK can be able to generate a website and with the right source code respectively. So we are going to do more with GROK. We will even build an e-commerce website using GROK. You can be able to watch this video on X and also on the YouTube channel. So thank you. See you next time.